Živijo. Evo, Društvo Leteča želva se vam javljamo tukaj iz narave. Danes vam bomo povedali par informacij, kaj vas čaka v novem šolskem letu iz naše strani. In sicer pripravljamo ene posebne klase z Dženang Čigungom, ki bodo temeljili na zavestnem starševstvu od prvega trenutka dalje. O tem nam bo pa malo več povedal naš učitelj Mauro Lugano, ki prihaja iz Argentine, pa je že dolgo časa v Sloveniji in tudi že uči Dženang Čigong in Tai Chi v našem društvu.
Yeah, it's a very interesting subject from Chinese medicine, little bit different from Western medicine. It has the conception of what is health and how to have a good start in life. In Chinese medicine and in Qigong, it's part of Chinese medicine, the ideas of Qigong. We consider that health is not only when you are not sick, but that health has to have also the potential to enhance, to improve all your life stages. That's the idea of Zheneng Qigong, how to improve the quality of life in all the stages of your life. Meaning on the conception, when you are in the womb, the parents can improve their own life even before the conception. Even if, for example, a young couple, they are still thinking that they want to have a child, it's very good that they start working on themselves, practicing Qigong, to improve, their physical health, to improve their mental health, and to start balancing their emotions, so their stage or their level of health will be very good, and they will pass on this through this is the idea of Qi, that we can cultivate our Qi on ourselves and then give it further already like a inheritance for our child. This is a very old idea in Qigong, and particularly in Zheneng Qigong, Dr. Pang, the teacher of our system, he explained it very, very good in all the stages of life, of before conception, or what's called prenatal, during childhood, in the first years of childhood, what to do, how to enhance the life of a baby, how to develop consciously their capabilities, and then during the first infancy, then during adolescence, then during adulthood, and then in the life when you are becoming old and aging, to age gracefully and prolong your life, actually, and even to enhance the moment of death, how to have a dignified death also. So in all the stages of life, we should use the idea of Qigong and how to cultivate our life to improve the quality of our life in all the stages.
Torej, Mauro, za koga pa je namenjena ta vadba? Kdo lahko pride?
Mainly we would like to offer it for the people who are thinking on having child, so they start already cultivating on themselves, that the future parents, they start working on themselves, but not necessarily only for them. Anybody will have benefit from this practice, and if you are already pregnant, you can also join the classes. If you are thinking on becoming a parent, it's ideal for you. If it's only that you have the interest of knowing more on this, and even if you don't want to have a child, it's also good for you. It's information that it will come handy probably sometime.
Kaj pa če že imaš dojenčka?
Also, if you already have a family, the first years of family life, it's a big change in your own life, but it's also it brings new challenges in the couple. It requires that you start communicating more with your couple and harmonizing the space where you live, that you rest efficiently. The first years of parenthood can be a bit tough, so it's good that you have these tools on how to improve your life.
Kaj pa bomo na vadbi počeli? A bo to bolj osnovan na vajah, bolj praktične narave, ali bomo bolj teoretsko šli čez Zheneng Qigong, čez to, kaj pač lahko vadba pripomore k zavestnem starševstvu?
Actually, both. We are going to combine. We are going to study from different authors, from different books, and from different points of view of Chinese medicine and Qigong and Western medicine. But we are also going to suggest and offer practices. We are going to teach them in class their practices, but hopefully are the parents or the attendants to the workshops that they can choose to do these practices at home with their partners. It's a more intimate thing, so it's going to be open for them to practice or not. But we are of course going to offer the theory and the practice.
Hvala, Mauro, za vse informacije. Hvala tudi vam, da ste si pogledali tale video. Če vam je bil všeč, prijavite se lahko kar preko maila, lahko tudi na Facebooku, za vsa vprašanja smo vam tudi na voljo. Lahko tudi lajkate video ali pa subscribate na YouTube kanalu, pa boste skozi na tekočem še z novimi videi, ki jih bomo delali, pa z novimi priložnostmi za kakšen drugačen tečaj. Hvala, čau!